Ready to bring the future into your kitchen? These smart and futuristic Amazon kitchen essentials make cooking, organizing, and prepping easier and more high-tech than ever. From clever gadgets to sleek upgrades, they'll totally transform your kitchen game. All the links are in the description below. Imagine cooking on a countertop that looks completely empty. This hidden cooktop installs under the surface and uses special induction tech to heat your pans without heating the counter itself. You get full cooking power without giving up any workspace or ruining your kitchen's design. When you're done, the surface stays cool enough to use like a normal counter. It works in homes, RVs, and even boats, giving you a sleek, safe, and modern way to cook anywhere. This sink turns your kitchen into a true workstation. The recessed design saves space while giving you a wide area for prepping, washing, and handling big pots with ease. A water-powered display on the glass panel shows the temperature instantly, no batteries needed. You also get dual waterfall faucets and a pull-down sprayer that handles any task. With built-in ledges and accessories for cutting, rinsing, and draining, it keeps your entire workflow smooth and organized. Spices don't belong in a messy drawer. This rotating spice rack brings your seasonings front and center with a fun Ferris wheel-style twist. Just give it a spin to find exactly what you need. No digging, no guessing. Each jar stays securely in place and is easy to grab when you're mid-recipe. It looks great on any countertop and makes cooking feel just a bit more organized and exciting. Why reach for a dull knife when one tool can handle it all? These heavy-duty kitchen shears cut through chicken, veggies, herbs, and even tough packaging with ease. The ergonomic grip makes them comfortable for long prep sessions, and cleanup is simple. Just toss them in the dishwasher. You even get a bonus pair designed specifically for cracking shells and peeling shrimp. One set, endless uses in the kitchen. Breakfast doesn't get smarter than this. This fully automatic omelet maker cooks dozens of eggs at once with zero hassle. A touchscreen display lets you set the time, quantity, and doneness, whether you like soft, medium, or well done. The built-in temperature control keeps every omelet perfectly consistent, no babysitting required. Compact, easy to clean, and smoke-free, it delivers golden, uniform eggs with a crispy outside and tender inside every time. Clogged sinks are a thing of the past. This 3-in-1 strainer works as a stopper, a basket, and a drainer all in one. Just press the handle to switch between holding water or letting it flow. The built-in basket traps food scraps before they sneak down the drain, keeping pipes clear. Made of durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean, odor-resistant, and built to last. Here's a kitchen upgrade you'll use every single day. This over-the-sink board gives you a sturdy cutting surface and a collapsible colander in one smart design. You can rinse, drain, and chop without moving back and forth, making meal prep way faster. The non-slip edges keep everything steady, and the basket pops out and folds flat when you're done. Simple to use, easy to clean, and built to save you space. Craving a movie night snack that feels extra fun? This stovetop popcorn maker turns plain kernels into a giant fluffy bowl in just a few minutes. You heat it up, crank the handle, and the built-in spinner keeps every kernel moving so nothing burns. It works on pretty much any stove, so you can use it wherever you cook. And cleanup is a breeze. Just let it cool, rinse it out, and you're ready for the next round. Why wait in line at a cafe when you can make barista-style drinks at home? This 8-in-1 frother whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and even cold coffee creations. It works with dairy and non-dairy milk, so everyone's covered. The smart program controls heat and speed, giving you perfect froth without burning. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, easy-to-wash design. Tired of struggling to cut even slices of meat by hand? This manual slicer makes it simple. With 17 sharp blades, one push gives you 18 perfect slices, ready for hot pot, BBQ, or meal prep. You can switch between thin or thicker cuts and even dice or shred by changing the angle. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and turns fresh meat into neatly prepped portions in minutes. Ever wondered what fresh oil from your own kitchen tastes like? This electric oil press lets you extract pure oils from seeds, nuts, and more. No additives, no mystery ingredients. It handles everything from sesame to sunflower and even avocados. With automatic temperature control and a foldable design, it's smart, smokeless, and easy to store. Just load it, press a button, and enjoy real flavor in every drop. This isn't just a fan, it's a breeze with a brain. With voice control, app access, and a remote, you can adjust airflow without ever leaving your seat. It spins side to side and up and down, cooling your whole space with smart oscillation. The motor is ultra quiet, perfect for sleep or focused work. Plus, it's got 6 modes, 8 speeds, and a sleek, modern design built for year-round comfort. Ice lovers, this one's for you. Nugget ice, also called pellet ice, is soft, chewy, and keeps your drinks tasting fresh without watering them down. Instead of driving out for a bag, you can now make it right on your countertop. A smart sensor pauses the machine when the basket's full, while the self-cleaning system keeps every batch fresh. Quiet, compact, and always ready, your perfect ice is just a button away. Running out of space but still need crisp clothes? This fold-out tabletop ironing board hides away inside your closet and pops out only when you need it. A secure clip keeps it locked in place during storage, so it never shifts or falls. Just unfold, press, and fold it right back. It's the kind of smart setup that makes laundry day feel way less annoying. Pasta nights just got way easier. This microwave cooker lets you boil noodles without a stove, spills, or a sink full of pots. Just add pasta and water, pop on the vented lid, and let the microwave handle the rest. When it's done, the same lid works as a strainer so you can drain in seconds. It even has measurement rings inside, making it almost impossible to mess up your portions. Fresh pasta at home without the mess? This automatic pasta maker does it all for you, mixing, kneading, and shaping with just the push of a button. Choose from 12 pasta shapes like spaghetti, penne, or dumpling wrappers, and get perfectly fresh noodles in about 10 minutes. The Smart Touch panel tells you exactly how much flour and water to add. Big enough for the whole family, yet simple enough for beginners. Cooking indoors doesn't have to mean filling your space with smoke and grease. This compact range hood quietly pulls in fumes, filters out odors, and traps oil, all without needing any installation. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, or hot pot nights with 3 fan speeds and a powerful triple filter system. Just set it on your counter, press start, and let it clean the air while you cook. Taking out the trash just got futuristic. This smart can seals the bag for you with one tap. No tying, no mess, no getting your hands dirty. Once you lift the full bag out, it automatically lines itself with a fresh one. The motion sensor opens the lid with a wave, keeping things touch-free and odor-free. It's hygienic, hands-off, and makes garbage duty almost enjoyable. Breakfast gets an instant upgrade with this smart touchscreen toaster. You tap the display, Choose your bread type and watch the countdown timer so you know exactly when it'll pop. Wide slots handle everything from bagels to waffles, and each side has its own controls so you can toast differently for everyone. 6 shade levels let you pick anything from lightly warm to deep and crunchy. Meal prep has never been this organized. This all-in-one station gives you a deluxe cutting board, 8 essential tools, and 14 airtight containers to keep ingredients ready and mess-free. Scraps slide straight into built-in bins, while everything stays firmly in place on the non-slip surface. There's even a tablet stand so you can follow recipes hands-free. Fresh juice with zero effort? Yes, please. This compact citrus juicer squeezes oranges, lemons, and limes at the push of a button. No twisting, no mess, and no tired wrists. It's rechargeable, hands-free, and perfect for daily use or even camping trips. Just cut your fruit, press once, and it gets to work. Cleanup's a breeze too, with detachable parts and a cleaning brush included. Simple, smart, and seriously refreshing. Breakfast just got effortless. This 2-section omelet maker cooks 2 fluffy omelets at once without any flipping or mess. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and indicator lights tell you when it's ready to go. You can also make frittatas, pizza pockets, or even vegan patties, all in one compact, space-saving appliance. Fast, reliable, and perfect for busy mornings or creative cooking. Ready to make snack time way more fun? This rotating pedal box opens like a blooming flower, giving you neat little sections for nuts, candy, dried fruit, or anything you like to munch on. Just twist the top, and each pedal slides out smoothly. You even get a built-in phone holder so you can snack while you watch. It's sturdy, non-slip, and perfect for keeping treats organized and easy to reach. Short on counter space, but still needs somewhere for those clean dishes to land? This pull-out plate and bowl holder tucks neatly inside a cabinet or drawer and keeps everything organized and drip-free. It has 10 sturdy slots and a slide-out tray underneath that catches excess water. No mess, no fuss. Installation is tool-free thanks to adhesive nanofilm, a space-saving win for small kitchens and tidy minds. Breakfast for everyone, all at once. This fold-in-store ceramic griddle gives you 2 cooking zones, so pancakes can sizzle on one side while bacon crisps on the other. With temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's got the power for any meal. The Evergood ceramic non-stick coating means food slides off easily, and cleanup takes seconds. Plus, the drip tray catches grease, and when you're done, it folds to fit in even the smallest kitchen space. Love dumplings but hate the hassle? This electric dumpling maker takes all the work out of wrapping. Just drop in the dough and filling, press a button, and it seals up perfect dumplings in seconds. No pinching, no mess. Choose between auto mode for hands-free wrapping or manual mode for more control. It comes with molds, cutters, brushes, and even a spoon. Rechargeable, fast, and fun. It's dumpling night, made easy. Struggling with stubborn lids is a thing of the past. This multifunction opener pops bottles, cracks jars, and even lifts pull tabs, all with minimal effort. The ergonomic grip gives you leverage, making it perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Small and magnetic, it sticks right to your fridge, so it's always within reach. Durable, compact, and easy to use. It's the kitchen helper you'll wonder how you lived without. Dinner for the family doesn't have to mean juggling pans and waiting around. This smart double oven splits into 2 sections so you can cook different meals at the same time. A built-in thermometer keeps food perfectly done, while Smart Finish Tech makes sure everything's ready together. One side air fries, the other bakes, and flavors never mix. Big enough for a pizza and wings in one go, this oven is a true multitasker. Wish you could grill indoors without filling the whole place with smoke? This electric grill solves that with a built-in system that pulls smoke away as you cook, giving you that outdoor flavor right at home. You can adjust the heat with a bright LED display, making it easy to get perfect results. Swap between a grill plate or a griddle depending on what you're craving. Healthy gut, homemade style. This probiotic yogurt maker lets you craft your own yogurt packed with live cultures right at home. Adjustable temperature and time controls give you the perfect environment for trillions of probiotics to thrive. It comes with multiple jars, so you can prep different flavors at once. Fresh, creamy, and way more affordable than store-bought. This is gut-friendly goodness you make yourself. No more babysitting the grill. This wireless meat thermometer gives you total freedom with an ultra-long Bluetooth range that reaches up to 1,000 feet. Just stick the probe in and track the temperature right from your phone or the bright LED display. It's accurate, waterproof, and even stores data if you go offline. With presets for different meats, you'll hit perfect doneness every single time without hovering over the smoker. Washing rice doesn't have to be messy. This smart bowl has a fine built-in strainer that lets water drain out fast while keeping every grain safely inside. You get a sturdy handle that makes rinsing easier and lighter on your hands. It works for rice, beans, pasta, and even small fruits or veggies. And after you're done, it cleans up quickly and fits right into any modern kitchen setup. Breakfast just got way more fun and way less complicated. This all-in-one station lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or bacon all at once. The non-stick griddle handles pancakes like a pro, and the toaster oven fits 4 slices with room to spare. Flip a switch, turn a dial, and your whole morning meal is underway. It saves space, looks retro cool, and keeps everything in one spot. Opening a bottle no longer means racing to finish it. This smart wine preserver lets you pour a glass without pulling the cork, so the rest stays fresh for weeks or even months. A quick press of the trigger and the wine flows out effortlessly. It even aerates the wine as you pour, mimicking a 90-minute decant in seconds. No mess, no waste, just great wine, one glass at a time. It's a paper towel holder, but smarter. Press the top, and out pops a hidden spray bottle, ready for quick cleanups. You can tear paper towels with one hand while spritzing spills, crumbs, or countertops with the other. Sleek, compact, and super convenient, it keeps your essentials in one place. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you want a tidy solution that actually makes cleaning easier. Making breakfast doesn't have to feel like a race. This 2-tier steamer lets you cook veggies, rice, seafood, and eggs all at the same time. You get simple digital controls, plus a timer that lets you schedule your meal, and a warm mode that keeps food ready for hours. 5 cooking programs take the guesswork out of everything, from slow cooking to perfect eggs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.